Here he is, welcome to Dunedin.
Oh, thanks for having me. Excited to be here. I know that past clients of ours have done incredibly well investing in Dunedin. What do you attribute their success to? And do you think that these opportunities will still exist in the future?
Absolutely. Dunedin offers a great lifestyle for its residents. All within about a 15-minute drive of the train station where we are right now, we have great access to beaches, walking tracks, golf courses, bike tracks, and of course our great schools and university. Because of its appeal, population growth has exceeded forecasts, which has put upwards pressure on an already tight rental market.
Right. So it sounds like Dunedin is much more than just that university city that so many people take it for. From a standpoint of investing in Dunedin, most people will buy a property and keep it for about 10 years. So my question is, in 10 years from now, what does Dunedin look like in your eyes?
Dunedin's population is set to grow by about 11.5% over the next 10 years. Because of that, we're seeing a lot of investment going into the city. We've already got our $1.8 billion hospital under construction just over here. Council is also investing heavily into our infrastructure. We've got 2 new inland ports being constructed and a thriving startup culture. So what that means is that as the city's growing, is that there's going to be more development like what we do in city fringe areas around the city.
So this makes sense because your next development's Anderson's Bay, which is about 3 kilometers south of Central City. Yeah. You're close to beaches and as you were saying, walking tracks, golf courses.
That's fantastic. We've been searching for a site like this for years. It's a large north-facing site with established hedging, great sun, sheltered from the wind and out of the flood risk zone. Sites like this in Dunedin are extremely rare.
It's a beautiful location. Talk me through what's going to be built on the site.
Yeah, so in total we've got 18 homes going on this site. Over on this side here we've got 5 lovely 3-bedroom homes with a garage. The key feature of those ones is their kitchen, dining, living areas up on the first floor, which opens out onto a lovely private balcony.
And they have a bedroom downstairs?
Yeah, correct. So you got a bedroom and a bathroom downstairs, great for a teenager or a short-term stay with the garage, kitchen, dining, living on the first floor, and then 2 bedrooms and another bathroom on the top floor.
Nice.
And then over here facing Bayfield Road, we've got 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom homes with a separate car park as well.
Excellent. And then the remaining units are 2-bedroom properties, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. The last homes are all 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom homes with a separate car park. And all of their outdoor areas are directly northerly facing, so they're going to be sun-drenched all day.
Excellent. Now, I've got to check something with you. Is it right that some of the properties within this development are priced 40 to 60k below a valuation?
Yeah, that's the benefit of buying off plan. That means these 2-bedroom homes are priced from $645 and our 3-beds from $725. Pricing at this level also puts their gross rental yield north of 5%.
They're just great value units, and completion is due in Q4 2026, and any capital gains between now and then belongs to the buyer, right?
Yeah, that's right. For these homes, we're so confident in the rental demand for them as well that we're offering a 2-year rental guarantee on all the homes.
It's almost too good to be true. I'm really excited for this project. Look, we'll put all the details about the development in the notes of this video. I'm really excited to see how this comes together. Thanks for your time.
Thanks for coming down, Dan.
Take care.
Cheers.